For our building, we have a high energy demand. We've got a big warehouse in the back. We have lots of traffic coming and going and lots of people working back there. And we felt that solar would be the best way to go to help reduce our energy expenses. I contacted Solar Tech Elec one day out of the blue and asked them if they'd be interested in taking a look at our project here. And Ross, one of the directors, as I understand, over there at Solar Tech Elec, called me personally, said yeah, he'd be happy to come over. I think he was there the next day. So Solar Tech Elec brought to us a couple of options, and they decided that what would work best for us was to do a 370 panel, so a 370 watt panel, 111 panels, and then a microinverter for each panel. What this did for our commercial building is it allowed us to look at each panel and determine if each panel was working properly, what its output was, and of course any alarms or anything it wasn't doing, we'd be notified through mobile, through the app. At the time we signed the quote, the system was supposed to produce about 104% of our energy demand. Right now we're producing about 170%, so about 65% more than what our demand is, which means we're able to sell that energy back, recoup money back to our business, and now we're looking at, well, we have more real estate on our building, now we can have more panels. Since the system's already producing more than we need, every more kilowatt that we produce is money back to us. So that's now something we're considering in the phase 2 part of this process that we had never expected. What solar's done for us is, obviously it's offset our electric bill. So from a one-to-one standpoint, our electric bill has gone down to zero with the exception of just the maintenance charge that they charge you to be connected to the grid. Beyond that, we're able to depreciate, or are in the process of depreciating, the cost of this system, which will offset the initial outlay of capital expense. And so from our perspective, it's a no-brainer. At the time you're done, basically you will have depreciated all the expense of the system. After about 7 years, the system starts paying you back 100%. The first thing I would say to anyone is it is a no-brainer. If you've got the real estate on your roof, you're going to see a 20-year lifespan of this product, where after, like I said, about 5 to 7 years, that capital is coming back in droves. So if you have the ability and the wherewithal, put as many panels as you can and just look for that return. It's going to be phenomenal. There's no question at all. And I'm a person that was not a believer in solar to begin with. So I'm a total convert. My name is Christopher, and I highly recommend Solar Tech Elec for your commercial buildings.